The P0367 code indicates a camshaft position sensor B circuit low input for bank 1. This means the powertrain control module, or PCM, has detected a low voltage signal below 0.3 volts from the camshaft position sensor B on bank 1. Bank 1 refers to the side of the engine containing cylinder number 1, and B typically corresponds to the intake camshaft in V engine configurations. The CPS monitors camshaft rotation, which is crucial for synchronizing fuel injection and ignition timing. This code signals a potential problem in this system. When the P0367 code appears, you may experience several symptoms. These include engine misfires, rough idling, stalling, reduced engine power, and the check engine light illuminating. In severe cases, the engine might not start at all. Identifying these symptoms early can help you address the issue before it leads to more significant engine problems. The P0367 trouble code is most commonly triggered by electrical issues, which account for about 80% of cases according to automotive experts. Common electrical problems include faulty wiring harnesses, corroded connectors, and sensor failure from oil contamination, heat damage, or normal wear. Oil contamination is a frequent culprit, as seen in this damaged connector where oil has built up around the electrical contacts. Mechanical issues can also trigger the code, including problems with the timing chain or belt and excessive engine vibration. This shows a timing chain and sprocket where wear can affect camshaft positioning. Excessive vibration, as outlined in this infographic, can also contribute to sensor problems. Regardless of the cause, properly diagnosing the root issue is essential to ensure the repair is effective and prevents the code from returning. The Ford F-150 from 2015-2022 models frequently encounters P0367 due to heat-soaked sensors. High operating temperatures in these trucks can degrade the camshaft position sensor's electrical components, causing the low voltage signal that triggers the code. In Chevrolet Silverado 1500 trucks from 2019-2024, P0367 often results from oil leaks that contaminate the camshaft position sensor. Oil buildup interferes with the sensor's magnetic field detection, leading to unreliable voltage signals and the diagnostic code. Even Toyota Camry hybrids from 2021 to 2025 can experience P0367 anomalies caused by software glitches that mimic low input signals from the camshaft sensor. These issues are typically resolved through over-the-air software updates rather than hardware replacements. These real-world examples demonstrate the diverse causes of P0367 across different vehicle types, from traditional trucks to modern hybrids. Experts emphasize that 80% of P0367 issues are electrical. Start with the sensor itself to avoid unnecessary PCM replacements. A common mistake is overlooking damaged wiring, leading to repeat repairs. Always thoroughly inspect the wiring and connectors before replacing the sensor. Predictive maintenance using AI tools is expected to cut diagnostic time by 50% by 2027. As electric vehicles become more common, traditional internal combustion engine issues like the P0367 code are becoming less frequent. Autonomous vehicles will use sensor fusion technologies, combining multiple sensors for better accuracy. This could phase out standalone camshaft position sensors by 2035. Cybersecurity concerns are growing, leading to new industry standards for secure diagnostics. AI-driven diagnostics will automate fixes for codes like P0367, reducing repair costs. Sensor miniaturization will improve reliability in extreme conditions.